Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on beta updates on your iPhone. So first of all, tap on settings and go to the general setting. Once again you need to tap on software update. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. Now here you can see an option of beta updates. By default it is turned off. Simply tap on it and make sure you are logged in with your iCloud account. So simply tap on iOS 18 public beta. This may be different with the latest iOS. Simply tap on it and wait for check. Now your public beta updates turned on. I hope you enjoy this video. If you found this video helpful, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye and take care. See you in the next video.